How to hide reposts on TikTok. If you'd like to hide reposted videos on TikTok or keep them private, you can follow these steps to manage your privacy settings and control what others can see. When you repost a video on TikTok, it shows up on your profile under the following feed and it is reposted tab for your followers. Reposted videos can be visible to others unless you adjust privacy settings. Currently, TikTok does not have a dedicated feature to directly hide reposted videos from your profile or timeline. However, you can take the following actions to keep reposts private. Firstly, all you have to do is open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Simply tap on the U icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're inside your profile, tap on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. After that, from the three options, tap on the settings and privacy. Now inside settings and privacy, tap on the privacy option available there. Inside privacy, toggle on the private account option available. Simply toggle on private account and this will restrict access to your entire profile including reposts to only your approved followers. So that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.